This video might be a little different. Hello and servus to my English fans. This is the first video I made to explain the Bavarian language in English. Please don't be so hard with my English. I know it's not the best, but it still works. I made this video because many people wrote me in the comments that I should make a video who explains Bavarian in English, so just try it. And if you want to see more of these videos, write it in the comments or like this video. So just start. So at first you want to say hello to somebody. In Bavaria you had to say servus. Servus can be used as hello and also as goodbye. If you at the Oktoberfest in Munich and want to drink some beer, you had to ask, where do you get this beer? So you ask, wo krijg je een bier? Where do I get a beer? If you're hungry too and you want to eat something, you had to ask, wo krijg je da was zu essen? Where do I get something to eat? Next situation, you go to a party, see some nice girl and want to sit next to this girl. So you had to ask if you can sit down there. So you ask, ist der Platz noch frei? And if you want to say somebody that he or she looks good, you can say, gut schaust das. If you had to ask somebody where's the next restaurant, you can ask, wo ist denn da das nächste Wirtshaus? Wirtshaus means restaurant. And if you like something, you can say, dies taugt mir. So that was lesson 1 Bavarian in English. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time and satzfreundlich.